So many things have changed in the last few months, and like everything else, this holiday season will look a little bit different. What won't change is the unwavering commitment that McLean County businesses have in serving our vibrant and strong communities. As you figure out how to safely create a happy holiday season for you and those in your life, just know that we can help each other out. We pledge to be there for you. All we ask is that you're here for us. We pledge to adhere to the strictest health protocols so you can feel safe shopping and eating and celebrating. And there's no better gift than you can give to us than being able to serve you in future holiday seasons. So let's do this together, McLean County. Like we've done throughout this entire pandemic, this holiday season, shop safe, shop local, and let's do the good times together.